Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to tear this truck apart and paint it. It's getting a fresh new paint job. So you can see some things are already loosened up and removed from it. We're going to repair any rust we find on it. Ed's going to be doing this, and I probably won't be a ton involved, but I'll be sure to keep you up to date on the progress. I don't want to record just, dozens and dozens of hours of sanding. That's not real fun. So anyway, I'll definitely keep you up to date on the highlights of it so you can see the progress. It's going to be the same color that it is now, and I'm excited to see it all freshened up and, want it to look brand new again. So a buddy of mine stopped by today with his 67 Camaro, so I figured I'd show it to you guys. We could walk around it and check it out. He got here, I think, just in time. I think it's going to snow in a little while.
Which is rare.
Yeah. It doesn't happen real often in North Texas, but sometimes it does. Figured you guys would like this. This is a really nice car. Mind if I open the door?
Of course not.
All right. Those are nice bucket seats. Those are cool.
I forgot I was on hold, and I went in there, and I'm still on hold. Oh, are you? Yeah.
Well, my buddy with the Camaro got out of here just in time. As you can see, getting a little snow/sleet. There's a little bit of ice right down there. Alright, so we're doing a little test fitting to the fenders to make sure, because they're aftermarket fenders. We want to make sure they fit properly, and you know that all the doors open and close and the gaps are good, and you know, all that kind of stuff. We're going to check here and see what kind of shape this door is in, see how much Bondo's in it. We know there's some. There's a little bit in there.
Yeah, for me grinding this down. About a half inch.
Yep. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a shot on how much is in here.
We have them. Little surprises when you buy a truck. And I'm trying to hit that cap corner too.
Yeah, hopefully not. All right, we're going to lift the bed off.
So when I lift it up, don't let it bang against the cap. Wow.
right, guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, go ahead and send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address in the description below. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for notifications, and click the like button. Come back next time.